Himachal Pradesh in India is a very popular tourist destination. And if you have to see snow in India, then Himachal is the place. In winter months, certainly you would find a lot of snow. With that in mind, we went to Kinnaur and we had a very terrific incident. We saw a huge glacier coming down on the road. Luckily, there was no impact on us and other tourists. We saw it, and many people were brave enough to go close to the glacier coming down on the mountain and film it. We also filmed it, and thank to the God that we survived, and we have a very beautiful memory of that happening right in front of us. So if you're going to Himachal, just be very cautious of the surroundings, take good safety measures, be safe and have fun.
Go back! Go back, Pawan! Go back! Go back! Go back, go back! Side, side! Side, side, side! Go back! चल चल तू Go back! Go back! अभी आ रहा है टेम्पू गया Go back, go back! टेम्पू देखो टेम्पू 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 गया पीछे कर पवन Go back यार जॉबिन सीधा सीधा पीछे ले जॉबिन पीछे ले